Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. I love this look. It is definitely one of my favorites so far because I love all the pinks and purples and it was just really fun to do. So I am using a Morphe palette. This one is the 39S called Such a Gem and it is absolutely perfect for this look. I actually think this is the only palette that I used. So I'm starting off by contouring my cheeks, and as you can see I already have my full face of makeup on, so I'm just adding this on to what I wore today. I'm going to contour my cheeks, my jawline, and around my forehead, just going in with pinks and purples. Now that I have my forehead contoured, I'm going in with an eyeshadow brush and making 3 points on my forehead, and then I'm going to take a eyeliner brush and really define the points a little bit more. Next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm taking the same Morphe palette and I'm using a hot pink shade, and I'm just going to place this above my crease, and then I'm also going to buff this along my lower lash line. Just like I would do for any normal eyeshadow look, I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just buffing out the edges. I'm doing this on the top and the bottom, but it's Halloween, it's supposed to be fun and messy, so don't worry about it being perfect. And as always, you can make this your own and you can use just any eyeshadow colors that you have. So now I'm taking a pink glitter eyeshadow and placing this all over my lid, and I'm actually adding 2 different colors. So here I'm taking a shadow and just tightlining my lower lash line. I honestly can't remember if it was a dark purple or black, so just use any color that you want. And then I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and line my lower waterline. Next I'm going to draw the mouth, and I'm just using a black eyeliner to kind of trace it out. I actually wasn't happy with the first one I drew, so I redid it. That's why you don't see me drawing the mouth. So I'm starting off with the teeth because I thought it would be easier to start with the white paint. You can of course start with black, just whichever you think would be easier for you. And here I'm just being my normal goofy self, but next I'm going to go in with the black paint and just clean up the edges a little bit. And what worked for me was I traced the teeth with the black paint first, and that made it a little bit easier to fill in inside the mouth. For my nose, I'm starting off with a pink paint, and then I'm going to add some dimension with the same shadows I've been using for the entire look. Now I'm adding some some whiskers. You can be more precise with it if you want. I just kind of made them wispy. And then after that, I'm going to add some of the same shadows to my chest and neck to kind of tie everything together. But that will be everything for this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.